Do you have a mirror at home? If yes, congratulations, because I'm going to share with you a beautiful magical technique where you can use the power of Ho'oponopono along with the mirror to heal yourself and any situation in your life. So let's begin. And right away, let me share what all things we can do with the mirror and what is the benefit of doing this particular technique. So let's share the screen and let me share with you what is it that you get when you use a mirror technique. So, how to practice Ho'oponopono with mirror, that I'm going to share with you in the next step. But the first step is to subscribe to our channel and like this video and share it if you like it and watch till the end, because how to practice is what I'm going to share at the end. So, what are the benefits that you get out of practicing Ho'oponopono with mirror? The first is that you feel connected to yourself, you feel connected to your inner child, because when you're looking at yourself, that's when you feel the connection, because most of the day we are only looking at other people, the issues that we have, but we have lost that connection with ourselves. So when we look at ourselves, we feel very deeply connected to ourselves. Then second is, you also see the resistance and emotions that comes up when you are looking at yourself, because whenever you say to yourself I love you and you're not able to feel it, you see it right there that something is there which is stopping you and you're not able to feel it. So you don't have to stop just doing it after one time. I'll tell you how to do it. And third benefit, which is very important, is with time you will be able to release those resistances which is coming as feelings and emotions. So it is good to keep going until you actually start feeling that love for yourself. And many great practitioners of law of attraction manifestation have practiced mirror work a lot, but when we combine it with Ho'oponopono, the effect multiplies. Now let's see how you too can practice Ho'oponopono along with this magical power of mirror. So if you're here for the first time and if you don't know Ho'oponopono, let me just share with you what Ho'oponopono is. It is a Hawaiian technique where you use four sentences to clean the energy for any particular issue that's happening. So the first sentence is I am sorry, then we use please forgive me, then we use thank you, I love you. Okay, so that being said, if you want, you can watch other videos on my channel regarding Ho'oponopono. Now let's see how you can practice. Before I share with you how you can practice, the major and important point is for what all kinds of issues you can use this thing. So you can use it for your health, you can use it for money, you can use it for your relationships, you can use it for confidence, you can use it for the fears that you're having, the guilt you're having. So cleaning anything, especially even if you have to say something to anybody and you're not able to say it, you can use that for those kinds of issues also. So every situation that you can think of in your life right now, you can literally apply this to any situation. And good news is that it does not cost you anything. Okay, so let's go and learn how we can practice this particular thing. So here it is. So here are these steps. Before I share with the steps, this is the minimum number of days that you need to actually practice, because we have lost the connection with ourselves, and therefore it is very important that we continue this practice at least for 11 days. So the first thing is stand in front of the mirror. So every day go and look at yourself. Then second step is think about a specific situation you would like to heal. As I've shared, you can use it for any issue in your life. You don't have to say anything for the issue. You don't have to make up any sentences. You will feel the issue in your heart. You will know it on your face when you look into your eyes. Then, as the third step goes, look into your eyes and say to yourself for 21 times, take your names. For example, I've written my name here. Then say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So, how you will say it? For example, if right now I'm looking at the mirror, I'll say, dear Beshu, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You might not feel these sentences, which is perfectly all right. The important point is not about feeling it right away, but with time, you'll be able to experience the emotions and the cleaning will start happening at a very deep subconscious level. So, practice this for 11 days. And which is the issue that you are going to speak to yourself in the mirror? Tell me in the comment section. Even I am practicing this. I've started practicing this right now from today, and I will share my result after 11 days, what happened when I practiced this. I'm waiting for your results to be shared. So tell me in the comment section which is the issue for which you're about to start this magical mirror Ho'oponopono technique. And I will see you in the next video with lots of more fun with Ho'oponopono, more information. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have watched till the end, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for being there and giving your valuable time and attention to this subject and to my channel. Lots of love to you. Bye bye.